Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2023 Can-Am RYKER Ace with 209 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and reverse. The RYKER is dynamic and versatile, offering unique riding experience on the stability of three wheels and standing out from almost anything else on the road. Powered by an 899cc 3-cylinder engine, the RYKER puts 82 horsepower and 79 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. It weighs in at 616 pounds and has a 23.5-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.